What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Mail passed. Got some surprises today. What you think? You already know. Letters. Let's check them out. Okay, you know the drill. I like lures. I'm addicted. I can't really catch fish, but I can get baits. But another topic, another day. Alternative lures. My new favorite website. Let's see what they sent us. The reveal. One more. All right. You're gonna like this. So, check it. Went through the website. Alternative lures. I mean, pretty awesome. If you're looking to get into making some baits and whatnot, I'd highly suggest checking them out. Very reasonable price, big selection, cool, in stock, ships fast. Anyways, that's a plug for them, but it's worth it. Check it out, I promise. But today, we're going to go over what we are trying. Some new stuff. Wake baits. Never done the wake bait game, but I mean, they look pretty freaking sweet, and I can see why it'd be fun. So this is a mini, or tiny mini wake walker, I think they call it. A tiny mini wake walker. This is a 4-inch bait, and it's got the lip and everything's built in. Cool little rattle. I got mine with the green tail, or whatever you want to call it. I guess chartreuse. But these come just like this. This is clear. So we're going to be applying paint to this one. That's coming soon. Then we have the original wake walker. Actually, I think this is the tiny mini wake walker, and this is the mini wake walker. So this one's 5 inches. It's got 3 joints. Comes with the eyes and a couple different tail colors. But this one doesn't. It's silent. This one's silent. No knocks. But super cool. Very excited to check these out. This one is probably not going to get a paint. It's probably going to stay bone with some sweet eyes. But more to come. That's more to come on that. We'll see. Then, what I'm really excited about are these. So these are Alternative Lures Hinkle Shacks. And they are freaking sweet. Look at this thing. Oh man, I'm extremely excited about this one. And this one actually comes with all the fins and stuff too. So it's got like all these fins that you can pop in here. So it's got the hooks, it's got the eyes, of course. The hardware, but even like the side fins, like it's got like all these fins that pop in. This is pretty sweet. I'm extremely excited about this one, and this one's probably gonna stay bone, by the way. But it's got these cool like brown fins that go all over the place. As you can tell, I'm extremely excited. I apologize. No, I don't. I don't apologize. It's okay to be excited, especially when it comes to lures. This thing is freaking sweet. We got to get this thing together because I need to get some fishing in, and I want to check this one out. So there'll be a video on that soon. And then we have the mini Hinkle, which is exact same setup. Bone, got the fins, dorsal fins, top fins, side fins, whatever you want to call them, and the eyes. So this all comes together. This is actually like a 2-piece kit. It's called Birds of a Feather on the website. So if you're interested, go check them out. Birds of a Feather. You get both of these for a pretty decent price. Anywho, that's all I got for you today. Just a quick unboxing. Alternative lures. If you are in the market for just badass baits, go check them out. They got some pretty sweet stuff. It's nice, cheap DIY kind of thing, which I like. Cheap, easy, effective. I mean, can't go wrong. I am really excited about these wake baits. I've never fished these, so I'm pretty excited. But yeah, let me drum up some ideas. We'll get some of this stuff painted in, and then yeah, come back. There'll be some more videos. All right, y'all. You know the drill. I got stuff to do. Catch you later.